Hello and welcome to Creative Vibes. And today what we're going to go over is the drop stitch. So it looks like you're doing something very complicated, but it really isn't. It's a beginner friendly 2-row repeat pattern with some yarn overs and, of course, as the name dictates, a drop stitch. We did do this in the lace rib stitch with the yarn overs, and I will attach that video here. So grab your yarn and your needles, come on back, and you get to learn how to do the drop stitch. So for the cast on, you cast on as many stitches as your pattern requires. So there's no set number, you just go for what your pattern requires. So we're gonna start off with row 1, which is you do whatever's between the asterisks, which is knit 1, yarn over twice. And you're gonna do that up until your last stitch, which is K1. So let's get started. So you're going to knit 1, okay, then yarn over once, yarn over twice, and again, do everything that's in the asterisk. So you're just going to do that repeat. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. And you're going to do this all the way down to your last stitch. Yarn over, knit 1. And move down, make sure they're not all scrunched up there. Yarn over, knit 1, and I will meet you at the last stitch. So we're coming towards our last stitch, so we're going to do yarn over, knit that stitch here, and then on our last stitch, we're just going to do a simple knit 1. So your needle is going to look like you have quite a few stitches on there, which you do because you did all those series of yarn overs. So it should be quite a few from what you started with, I should say. And that's completely normal. So just wanted to bring that to your attention. Don't worry, because when we do row 2, that's all going to decrease. So for row 2, you're going to do between the asterisks, knit 2 and drop 2. And then your last stitch is going to be a K1. So let's begin. And sorry about the truck noise. Every time I seem to try to do a video, it's always some type of noise, so excuse that. So knit 2, knit 1, knit 2, and then here's your 2 yarn overs here, and all you're going to do is drop. That's it. Okay, so let's try that again. So knit, and then drop, knit, drop. So I guess I need to be clear and specify. So you only need to knit 2 on that first 2, not 2 stitches, and then don't knit 2 thereafter. So wanted to just clarify that. So knit, drop. Or once you get the hang of it, you could just knit. You know you have your 2 here, you can just drop those off. And now you see here, it's starting to form these open ridges here. And you're going to do that motion all the way to your last stitch, and I will meet you there. Okay, so we're coming towards our last stitches here. So you're going to knit and then drop your 2 And now you're just going to knit as normal, okay? And now it should be looking like this here. Put my needle down so you can see. Should be good to go like that. And again, just for clarification, knit 2 in the beginning and knit 1 all the way across, okay? And you can flip it back to the front to begin whatever your repeat is from there. So that is how you do the drop stitch. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next tutorial. Happy knitting!